Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight lens on your Wrangler. This one happens to be a 2008, so if you have a Jeep that's the same model as this, a JK, this should be the same procedure on your Jeep.
Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video.
Okay, so all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and there's going to be 4 Phillips screws, 1 in each corner. So you're going to zip these out. Just put them on the bumper or something, make sure you don't lose them. Yeah, these have been in here for a while, you can tell. They're kind of giving me a little bit of a hard time, but they're not too bad. And then there's one more. All right. So to replace the tail light housing, you need to twist the socket for the tail light bulb. Here's the backup light bulb. And then there's going to be like a little push pin right here on the bottom. Should be able to pull right out for you. Take your new taillight housing. You're gonna push that push pin back in. Make sure it clicks. Take your brake light bulb, turn signal bulb. Make sure it's lined up. Lock it in. Here's your reverse light bulb. See those little tabs? Make sure they line up the holes. Put that in too. And then and you're gonna twist and lock it into place. Now put it back into place. It should fit nice and flush like that. Wanted to show you one more thing before we do that. If there's a piece here, if your taillight doesn't come with this piece, you can take it off your old one. It kind of makes up the difference on this curve. It literally comes right out. And then it is side specific. It'll say RH or right hand on it. So make sure that's on there. Line everything up. And there are 2 screws are going to be longer. This screw is longer. The 2 long screws want to go on the outer edge because it has to travel farther to get into the body of the truck to fasten it. So there's one long screw. Here's the other long screw. So get these caught. Now I'm just gonna get these sunken in. I'm not gonna really tighten them all that much yet, so I get the other 2 caught. So here's one of the smaller ones. Right, that one's snug. Don't crank down on these a ton because you could crack the lens right here. And take your last screw. That in. Then the other 2 started with on the outer edge. Make sure those are tight. Don't, like I said, don't crank down on them a ton. Make sure that they're secure. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have a question, put a comment on the video and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.